know some of you probably seen it from Microsoft, but because they discontinue it, so we decided to make our own version to keep this thing available.
So I've got Nikki from ProtoArc, and I've tried quite a lot of foldable keyboards in the past, and one thing I noticed about all of them is that they have a really dead feel, but then I came across this booth just yesterday and just had a little clack around on this and realized that actually it's a much more premium feel than the foldable keyboards that I've been used to. And it's a really, compelling idea to carry around a tiny keyboard, maybe type on your phone, or for me, I like to type on e-ink devices. And I'm just hoping that, these are up to the sort of scratch that they seem. So do you want to tell us a bit about the brand and the products?
Yeah, hi, this is Nikki from ProtoArc. We are an office brand. We're trying to create wellness office experience for our users. So here what you see is called XKMO1 Case Up. This is a combo made for travelers. So it has a foldable keyboard with spring mechanics, super easy to fold up into this sleeve, and then a foldable keyboard, also a mouse which supports wireless and 2 extra Bluetooths. Same with the keyboard. These are multi-device compatible.
So does it have a dongle as well in there?
Yes.
And yeah, cool.
The
nice.
dongle is in here for wireless.
Yeah, I use that type of mouse all the time. It's really good.
So everything goes neatly in here, so you can carry it around easily in this carrying case. You can just throw it in your luggage. Super easy.
Yeah, it's good.
And then, based on the feedback we received from our users, we made some upgrade. This is even a newer version. It's currently still a prototype, but probably will be released in about 2 months. So the previous one is full size, but more compact here. So we extended this region to make it actually like a 1-to-1 ratio as a full-size keyboard would be. It has backlit, uses aluminum, so you pronounce it aluminium.
Yeah, you got it right. Well
done. Aluminium frame. Also detachable magnetic stands.
That's cool.
So now you get to type it with a little bit of tilt here.
Yeah, which is actually very important, and something that the foldable keyboards never seem to get right.
Yeah. Nice. Also, we upgraded the keycaps, so now it feels exactly like Apple keyboards.
Yeah, it is. That's
the finish is better.
And this doesn't have the dead kind of feel that I was talking about, but this is even nicer. So I think you've done a great job there. And it's often where the hinges are that it kind of flexes like this, and neither of them do that. So you've done a really nice job and managed to. There's no funny layouts. There's no split keys.
Yeah.
It's really impressive, isn't it?
Also, the previous keyboard, people have kept been saying that they want this one to be more comfortable because it's kind of flat for portability. So we worked on this one. I know some of you probably seen it from Microsoft, but because they discontinue it, so we decided to make our own version to keep this thing available.
You do.
Yep, it's foldable. So you have a nice little arc.
Oh wow, yeah.
It can support your palm that. So it's more comfortable. And when you need to, just press it down. We can put it in a bag. Yeah, that also multi-device.
And Bluetooth,
Yes.
Wowzers. Really cool. And is there a plan to release this in a kind of case as well, or is it just a minute?
That would be the new case. Maybe your audience can tell us, do they like this one better or this one better? We haven't decided yet.
So the sort of more plain with the embossed logo.
Right.
Or the nice, okay.
Yeah.
Tough choice, they're both good.
We also have other variations like single keyboard, or the ones with a mouse, or the ones with a trackpad is over there. Yep.
Yeah,
this one is the one with a touchpad. It folds into this little pouch. And with the pouch in the back, it comes with a phone stand.
Oh, that's nice.
So you can put your phone on top of there and start writing your emails when you're out, also for travel.
Yeah.
And then because we are not just a travel brand, so it's about the whole workspace experience. So we also have the ergonomic side. So we also have ergonomic products For example, this one is the split ergonomic keyboard. Generally, some people like to use it this way, but we prefer to use the stand on the bottom because this way you're actually naturally leaning downwards. It's more comfortable.
Yeah. But you've got the choice and
Yes.
you can change. And I think part of it is not being in the same position
Yes.
for the entire day.
For too long, yes.
Yeah.
And here is the split keyboard because not
lefties
every
will like this.
yes,
Yeah, yeah.
not everyone like it on the right. So now you get to put it on the left side or even bottom side, so you can
Yeah.
switch it around, just
Yeah,
like
yeah.
as shown in the pictures. This is a vertical mouse. It's actually our top-selling mouse on Amazon. So for people with carpal tunnel syndrome or RSIs, they will be needing something like this to help relieve the pain. And this is a trackball mouse.
I've been told, my audience said I need to try this. They've told me a lot. I need to try the touch ball experience. So, I see it's over there. So you can you move it as well? Or is it
No, it operates with the ball.
ball only, right? Okay.
Yeah.
So have you used this with like a multi-screen? That's my only thing would be like, so I have like 3 in a row. Does it take you a bit longer? Is it quicker to use a mouse?
You
to
can
move
switch
across?
the TPI if it's more sensitive. It rolls
then
faster.
It goes faster. Yeah.
Yeah.
So that's a good setting to have as well.
Yeah. So this one is a vertical thumb trackball. We also have those ones. This is index finger trackball
I see.
mouse
So it's,
with programmable keys. You can remap them.
it's cool.
Yeah. And then
Thank you.
also some ergonomic chairs
Yeah, I'll
over
bring
here.
the camera.
This is the ergonomic chair we have with adjustable lumbar piece right here, so everyone can adjust to their need, and it reclines. Can also change the tension for the back recline, able to lock as well. Yeah, just different chairs for office. This is also a demo. It's the smart workspace. So ideally, this one should work, but we switched it off yesterday. We took out the motor, so this one won't stand up. But with the motor on, when we press this, it comes up. And the chair has inflatable airbags in there, which you can like inflate or deflate here to
That's
adjust
in case
it.
you crash your driving simulator, I'm just joking.
Yeah, I love that. This is actually a smart connected piece. That thing is the control panel. It wouldn't work now, but yesterday when BBC came over, we showed them when you sit down, this thing goes down, the light turns on, and when you stand up, the table just lifts up, lights off, all that. It will automatically turn to the preset preferences.
Oh, well, the BBC got the demo, so you can check it out on the BBC.
Yeah.
Nikki, thank you so much. Really
Thank
appreciate
you.
It's really good. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Glad to have a look around.